That don't hurt. America!
Oh God, that was.
Yep. RKO! Fuck yeah, Chuck. Oh!
How are you gonna get off?
Ready! Go! Hold on. Don't go yet. Push it this way. Push it this way. Oh, Lord!
Oh no! No!
Alright, sorry, both of them. Yes!
Oh no! Are you okay? Thank you.
Oh my God, did you see a big fish jump? Yeah, big one. I got it on camera. Oh.
At least I got water shoes on. Holy.
They don't stop you.
Oh!
Oh my God.
Why is he so scared?
Oh my God, it's so little.
Let go of that tree, you little cheater. About time. Here we go.
That don't hurt. Oh, wait, you can do it on camera?
I did. All right, go. Yep.
Oh, wow, that's cold! hoping this branch is just gonna snap. Yeah. You know that. You know that. Whoa! Oh! Oh!
Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm alright.
You should have got money. You should have.
How does his hat stay on? Does anybody wonder that?
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh God, honey.
Oh,
no, 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 no.
Oh, no, it's three. Oh!
So. You're gonna fall in.
where's your helmet? Oh.
All I'm saying. All I'm saying. He's going for the jump. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, we're gonna let this branch break underneath me.
Alright.
Cracking, I hear it. Or is that your bones?
Sonny, get that hair tie.
Alright, hold on.
I don't know. It was laying right here.
Okay.
Why? So you can go viral on Twitter and I can die?
Okay. Alright, whatever.
Nope, I should have put it down.
Mine better help him.
Yeah. You hit him hard enough to knock him out.
Throw it from down here.
Oh my God, that's his foot.
Get down.
Guys, that's his foot.